What if I told you there's a brand new AI tool that just made Google Veo 3 look outdated? While many people are still spending thousands of dollars to make AI videos, this tool lets you create Hollywood-level videos completely free and with no limits. If you love AI tools that save time and help you make extra income, hit that subscribe button and watch till the end, because I've got a powerful secret tip waiting for you. Today, we're diving into Higgsfield AI, the new Wan 2.5 update, a massive upgrade that completely outperforms Google Veo 3, especially with its daily free video generation feature. And in this video, I'll walk you through the easiest and most powerful free features you can try out right now. Let me show you how to actually use it in real life. First, click the link I've left down in the description. That'll take you straight to Higgsfield AI. Once you finish signing up, you'll land on the homepage. And trust me, that's where all the magic happens. Right here on your screen, you'll see tons of videos created by other users using the Wan 2.5 model. Now, let me show you a few examples so you can really see how powerful this tool is. Look at this. Every single video you're seeing right now was created entirely by AI. No choppy frames, no robotic movements. Everything looks smooth and natural. The AI perfectly understands your prompt and automatically adds transitions and camera angles. Like there's a whole film crew working behind the scenes. It honestly feels like you're watching a real movie. All right, let's give it a try together. In the Video tab, I'm going to click Create Video, then Upload an image. Scroll down a bit. This is where you enter your prompt, basically describing how you want the image to move. For example, you can type something like, "A T-Rex standing still, spots its prey, and begins hunting mode." Feel free to use my prompt as a reference. Next, under the Model section, you'll see several options like Higgsfield Standard, Kling 2.5, Wan 2.5 Fast, and Google Veo 3. For this video, I'll choose Wan 2.5 Fast, since it gives the fastest results with really high quality. Then choose the video length. I'm going with 5 seconds. Next, pick the resolution, either 720p or 1080p. If you want to create unlimited videos for free, go with 720p. But if you want that cinematic, high-end look, choose 1080p. Once everything's set, just hit Generate. And in just a few seconds, boom, your video is ready. Look at this. The motion is incredibly smooth, the lighting is gorgeous, it honestly feels like it was shot on a real Hollywood camera. All right, let's try another example. I'm uploading an image of a sci-fi character, pasting in a detailed prompt, leaving all the default settings as they are, and then hitting Generate. And wow, do you see that? The rain looks so natural. The camera smoothly pans to the character's face, and the lighting blends perfectly with the sound. Everything looks so vivid and unbelievably real. Now, let's move on to one of the coolest features, LipSync Studio. Click right here, upload your image, and select audio text. You can either type the dialogue you want your character to say, or upload a real audio file. I'll paste in a short text, choose the Wan 2.5 model, set it to 720p, and hit Generate. And here it is. Your character is actually talking.
Hey everyone, welcome to Next Gen DVD, where here we have the most powerful AIs for ways to turn your ideas into real impact.
The lip movements look super natural, and the voice sounds like a real human, not some robotic AI. If you've tried other tools before, you know how rare it is to get lip sync this accurate. Now here's the part that really blew my mind. You can actually turn a hand-drawn sketch into a cinematic video, and you don't even need to write a prompt. Just click Draw to Video, upload your sketch, select the Wan 2.5 model, and hit Generate. And that's it. Look at this. The AI brings your drawing to life and adds depth to it. It's like your imagination just turned into a living, moving video. Honestly, this is one of the most creative features I've seen this year. Quick tip, you can log in with multiple Gmail accounts to keep testing when you run out of free credits. With Higgsfield AI, you can create animated images, talking characters, or even turn your sketches into full cinematic videos. All right from your browser. No editing software needed. I've already dropped the link below. Go give it a try and share your very first video in the comments. I'd love to see what you create. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my next AI tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'm David from NextGen David AI, and I'll see you in the next one.